Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
James and Max here, and welcome to the Top G traffic method. You're going to absolutely be in love with this. There's a story behind this of how we got to this point, which is really long, and we're not going to go through a long, boring story, but it actually turned out to be very exciting. See, Max and I, we're all about getting traffic. We're all about making money on the internet, and it's fun, and we're always looking for the latest and greatest hacks. And it wasn't that long ago that Max and I were just thinking about, how can we just get some more clicks? How can we get some more traffic? Is there a different way we can go about it? And we saw this person, we saw this huge operation where they're bringing in 9 figures. First of all, it's hard to comprehend 9 figures, and we're talking hundreds of millions of dollars. But we couldn't go after that. We didn't have the time to do that. We didn't want to create this massive operation. But we saw a small part of that, a small unique part of it, where literally with a click of a button, now we're getting hundreds of clicks and we're getting thousands of dollars in a crazy, crazy unique way. A lot of times when you look at products, they're like, you can make $1 million overnight or push button profits. But you know what? We weren't trying to make millions of dollars overnight. We just wanted something small, but it turned into something much, much bigger. But yet we only have to literally click a button. This is super, super exciting. Max and I are so crazy about this right now because not only can we use this, but we're getting this out to the world. So Max, let's just tell everybody about what's going on because this is insane.
Yeah, guys, so in the end, when it comes to making money on the internet, you need one thing: traffic. This is the most important thing out there, no matter what people tell you. Like, the product doesn't matter. Like, if you have traffic, you can sell anything. And this method is super amazing. James has already told you the backstory of this. And now this gets us 921 plus fresh buyer clicks on a daily basis. This is amazing, guys. You don't need a product. You don't need to create content. You don't really need to learn anything yourself. There's not really much work required at all, yet this gives us buyer clicks on a daily basis. So yeah, just make sure to check out the buy button down below, because once again, traffic is the lifeblood of any online business, and this product is traffic. So yeah, pick it up below, and then we can't wait to see you inside.